Hello friends, this is a latch belt that can be used for the car seat, like if you want to put the base or any other car seat in your car. And then you can see the quality of this belt, and the latches looks very nice. And here this is the capacity connector, and then you have to hook this in the back of your car or seat, like there is a little hook, and then it should goes like click sound. And the instruction also say the same, that you have to listen to the click sound to listen, and it's a patented product. And this is goes like this, and the click sound should come before the clicking on it. So this is like the upside, and basically when you put pressurize this in your car seat, and then you should listen a click sound so that it will lock up there. And this is pretty easy to use, like if you have any car seat or you use the car seat before, this can serve as an additional car seat. You can adjust the height and the length with these knobs. And then usually the one belt came with the car seat itself, but in case like you damage it or you want it for another car, this will be very handy tool for you. And the quality wise looks all good, the belt wise looks all fine. Here I will just show just a little demo. It's not perfect, but for the video sake I'm just showing it to you. So in the back of the car seat or the lower side of the car seat, you can just click it there, and then this will go in the back of your seat, like in the car seat, so that it will lock it up there. So this one is not for this, because this is just an infant car seat and only the top part, not the base. But where the base is there is actually curve that can hold the belt.